How to add an EBT card to Target app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically add an EBT card to Target app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add an EBT card to the Target app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the Target app first. Once you launch the Target app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Come to the My Target option, tap the gear icon from the top right, then just go to Payment Cards. Now over here you just need to tap this option called Add Payment Card, and over here you'll find credit or debit or EBT. Over here you just need to select EBT card, tap on continue, and then you just need to make sure to enter your card number, tap on save, and you'd have successfully added an EBT card on the Target app. This way you can add an EBT card to Target app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.